Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Atsya, and today I show you in this video stylish and trendy collection. Low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. More ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye for girls and women using this video. I hope you like it. Of hairstyle in low maintenance. Spiky hairstyle, messy hairstyles. And so beautiful collection of haircut, pixie haircut. Bob haircut, chuggy haircut, wedge haircut, and many much more latest ideas of eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Trendy ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. My channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection. New ideas. Take care and bye bye.